of the locked up convenience stores will find out if they can reopen their doors.
Yeah, they're in court today after EBT fraud raids last week. WIAT 42 News reporter Lee Garner is following this story live from the Jefferson County Courthouse. Lee?
Well, Jim and Sherry, Judge Houston Brown heard 7 of the 10 civil cases that are going to be heard in Birmingham here today. He's basically deciding if those convenience stores across our area are going to remain padlocked. Now, of course, the results varied throughout the day on a case-by-case basis. Nothing is going to happen until Judge Brown issues an order. However, it looks as though some of those stores are going to be reopening, while others will remain closed. In the meantime, we haven't even gotten to the criminal allegations yet, but first we'd like to tell you a little bit about one of those stores that is going to be reopening, and that is Munchies of Avondale. The state's case basically came down to a witness who allegedly claimed that she had sold her EBT card at Munchies, but when she was called to the stand today, she chose to plead the fifth. Now, in speaking about his decision to grant the defense's motion to dismiss, the judge told the state, "I just don't see it. Courts need to be protective of everybody's rights, and I don't like to go on suspicions."
Well, it's a bittersweet day. Of course, Judge allowed us to reopen Munchies and determine that there was no factual connection between allegations of wrongdoing and the store. So we're excited about our business being opened back up. Unfortunately, the case is not over. There'll be another day in court.
And Bloomston says his client, Randy Shinara, hopes to get back $100,000 that was seized in those raids at Munchies that was part of a check cashing business. Now, Judge Brown did not rule on that today. It looks like that will happen within the next 14 days. There are also 3 additional cases that still have to be heard in civil court here in Birmingham and an additional one in Bessemer. We'll have much more coming up for you tonight on WIAT 42 News at 6. For now, live in downtown Birmingham, Lee Garner, WIAT 42 News, coverage you can count on.